Hi guys, welcome back and thank you so much for joining me once again. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. This is another book that I just recently got and wanted to share with you guys. It's called Forest, Fells, and Lakes, and it shows it down here in Finnish as well, and it's a book about Finland. A picture may be worth 1,000 words. But sometimes it needs an explanation. Huts once so important in fishing now lie desolate and moldering on the shores of many of our lakes. And this one is from, it says 1961 right there, but I think I saw another date in here. Yeah, right here. That's 1989 is the latest date in it. Very beautiful pictures. And that'll about do it for today. Thank you all so much for joining me once again. And remember, always make time for yourselves because you matter too. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.